This topic here, variations. Takambirana is a batch of variation. Number which I bakonayo. Is a WhatsApp. If you want any add in my group. Batch of variation. It involves three sets of numbers. The first set gives first equations. The second set gives second equation, and the third gives the answer to the equation. To the equation. What do they mean here? Timapasidwa part yoyambirira ya sentence yomwe imatipasa kuti tikhale ndi equation 1. Part yachiwiri ya sentence imatipanga kuti tikhale ndi equation ya number 2. Part yomalizira ya sentence imatiuza kuti answer layo tipesa bwanji, which means everything is in the question. And timakhande ma equations awiri, partial variation komanso amakunda kuti pasa ma variations ose atatu tapangaje, inverse, joint ndi direct. And tuoneni kuti utanthauzo liyani. Example, indika question kapika simple komwe ikautuzonena kuti A is battery constant and battery varies as B when B is 4. A is 60 and when B is 12, A is 100. There is just a simple mistake here. A has to be equal to 100, not 12A here. Find the relationship between A and B. Find A when B is 3. Now let's find the relationship first. As we have been told that A is battery constant, which means there is a constant that we have been already given, and battery varies as B, which means and here we are going to what? Add. That's why here we have this expression saying A varies directly as C. C is a constant that we have been given here, plus C, and the battery varies as B plus B. Then we are going to add B there. So introducing an equal sign here, we have A to be equal to C plus KB. Since we introduce constant K after converting this symbol to equal sign, which means we are going to have two constants, the already given constant C and the constant that comes after changing the vary symbol into an equal sign. Tikasinda vary symbol hii timapanga introduce constant K. Constant wina ndiyemwe atipasa kale uyu. That's why it in the A to be equal to C plus KB. Tuvanaga. So when B is 4, A is 60. This first part here will give us the first equation. That's why we have 6 for A, 60, not 6 is supposed to be 60 here for A, equal to C plus 4K. 4 here it's for B, so KB is B times K or K times B, which is forward K. This is equation number 1. Now we are given the second part here, B equal to 12, A equal to 100. Then we have the second equation to say 100 for A equal to C plus 12K. This is equation number 2. So we are going to find, the first thing we are going to find here, before we find the value of A, we are going to find the constants, the two constants. What are their values? So since we have 100 equal to C plus 12k as equation number 2. We are going to solve these equations simultaneously. So we are going to use elimination method. Elimination method is whereby equation number 2, equation number 1 subtract from equation number 2. That's why I have 100 equal to c plus 12k. This will be minus 60 equal to c plus 4k. Now 100 minus 60, it's 40. This will be equal to c minus c, it's 0. Then c is gone here. Then 12 minus 4k, it's 8k. Now to find the value of k here, we have to divide by 8 here with both sides, and then k will be equal to what? 5. Now that k is equal to 5, let's find the other constant, which is c. In equation number 2 here, substitute with k equal to 5. Where there is k, put 5 there, which means you will have we will substitute in equation number 1, not 2, because it can be simple when we substitute in equation number 1, but it will be the same as if you substitute in equation number 2. Now where there is k, if you put 5 here, that means we have 60 equal to c plus 4 c plus 4 times 5. Should be 60 equal to c plus 20. To find c, let's move 20 to the other side, which will give us 20 minus 60 minus 20, which will be equal to c equal to 40. Now question B says find a when b is 3. This is the final part, the third part that we are saying it will give us an answer, which means we are supposed to I'll just explain. We are supposed to choose one of the equations here. He said that we'll take equation number not one of the equations, we are going to take the main equation here, this equation. I hope you are seeing the pointer that I'm trying to highlight the equation we are going to take. So you substitute the values. We have been asked to find a when b is equal to 3, which means c, we have found c to be equal to 40. Then we put 40 here, plus k is 5, times b we have been told that b is what? 3. So 5 times 3 here, it will be 15 here. So c plus 15 is 55. Therefore a will be equal to what? 55. That's the final answer. Partial variation. Questions are partial variation. Ningo the variations amakonda kubwera akabwera ku paper 1 amakonda kuwapasa 6 to 7 marks. Akabwera ku paper 2 ngati bwera section A to be the same 6 to 7 marks. Koma ngati bwera section B amakonda kukhala 10 marks. So you have to practice more on this, and we'll get more examples that we'll be solving with us here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Goodbye.